Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Toyota Tacoma and Tundra. 2H, which is the everyday driving mode. It's the simplest mode to begin with. This is the mode that you use for everyday normal driving, whether on highways, city roads. It runs the car in rear-wheel drive, meaning the power goes only to the back wheels, which helps with fuel efficiency. 4H, or four-wheel drive high, is for normal off-road driving. What this means is all four wheels are engaged, and this locks the power 50-50 between the front and the rear tires. And this is to be used in normal driving in sand, snow, mud, or even gravel roads. Since the power is evenly split between the front and rear tires, it keeps the car very stable. This also means that the center differential is locked in the car. That makes sure that the power is distributed evenly between the front and the rear. 4-low, or what they call low range. It's maximum torque for extreme conditions. Think of it as beast mode for your car. It reduces the speed of your car like a slow tractor, but it gives you maximum torque and power. It's perfect for rock crawling, soft sand driving, deep mud, steep climbs, or recovering from very tricky situations. Traction control, why do you need to disable it? It's because when you drive off-road, you do not want the car to think that the wheels are spinning, and you do not want it to cut the power to your wheels. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.